everyone. Please excuse the mess that I am right now. I am about to take a shower, but I really wanted to try a new Color Lux. Now, it's not actually new to the market, but it's definitely new to me. Many of you might already know that I tried the purple one to tone this mess that was originally orange. As you can see, it worked pretty well. There is some purple in it, but overall it's nice. It works, it does the job well. I do have another video that's all about that you guys liked, so if you want, you can check that out. Anyway, so I'm going to be trying this today because I have a lot of root coming in. As you can see, it's like a dark blonde color, and I really don't want to be bleaching my hair right now. This hair I had to do some serious therapy on to make sure it didn't fall out, and I just kind of want to grow it out in my natural color before going back to the balayage that I usually end up getting from my wonderful and very talented friend. For now, we're just going to grow it out, but I can't have it looking like this. This is disgusting and ridiculous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to tone or tint my hair, which is currently this color, to make it match this a little bit better. And I chose the Color Lux Cocoa because obviously these are very gentle. They are a conditioner. These like are buildable. Now, the one thing that I'm concerned with is I didn't notice until I got home that this one does say on the back, do not use it on extremely light blonde hair, it won't work. I'm guessing that this is because, or also it says bleached hair, I'm guessing this is because, you know, once you bleach your hair out, or if you have extremely light hair, you need more color in it to grab a dark brown. I have had trouble keeping dark brown in my hair no matter what filler I use because it's hard. But I'm only using this to tone or tint. So I'm going to use this the same way that I use my other one. I'm going to actually mix this with a conditioner, a very building, nourishing, like bonding conditioner that I've been using, and we will see how it turns out. I put the color in the shampoo conditioner, not shampoo, and I did it like I did before with the purple. I mixed it up half and half with the conditioner, and I just put them in and I let it sit for maybe 4 minutes, kind of seeing if there was any merit to the whole don't use this if you're a blonde thing. Not that I was really doubting them, but I just didn't want to put it on and end up looking like a really dark brunette. So clearly it did not do much of anything, if it did anything at all, although I do think it did take up here. I didn't think about that. Like, a hairstylist would have thought of that, obviously, but I'm a makeup artist, not a hairstylist, so I did not think of that. Anyway, so I thought this might happen. So the next thing I'm going to do, actually, is put it in dry and let it sit longer. So I have not put the color in yet, but I just wanted to show you before I did it. This is how I have sectioned up my hair. I did 4 sections here, but then I also did like a 5th one in the back here because I just wanted to, since I'm just putting this on with my hands and I can't really see too well, I can't go outside of my body to do my own hair, unfortunately. I just wanted to make it a little bit easier on myself, and there is that big chunk back there that so often gets like mixed up, you know, when you're working with your hair. So anyway, or at least when I'm working with my hair. So anyway, this is what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing this too quickly to actually record it because I know that this stuff, even though they say not to put it on blonde, so it might not take, like if it does take, like especially on the most overprocessed and burnt parts of my hair, it'll be way dark. So what I'm going to be doing, my plan is this. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. This is for a few reasons. The first is because naturally my hair is darkest on the bottom and lightest on the top. It's a little more sun-kissed around the face. That's just naturally how it is. So that's what I'm going to be working toward with this. So also I know that the top of the hair processes fastest when you're working with actual hair color. I believe that's because of the bleach, so I don't think that's going to affect this, but I also don't want to tempt fate any more than I already am. So lastly, because I have applied actual color to my hair before on my own, it's a pain in the butt. Since I have to do this so quickly, because it says, how long does it say to do it? For, if you're doing like for light brown hair, you're supposed to keep it on, I think 2 to 25 minutes. 2 to 25 minutes. I'm a little nervous about that, so I don't want to be have this over-processing, over-staining while I'm working on something that could actually afford to be darker. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I just wanted to explain now, and now I'm actually going to do it for real this time. So I am done. I used this successfully, and I figured out how to take my bleach blonde hair back to my natural darker blonde. Now you can see it's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better than it was. And I know that if I decide I need more, I can just go ahead and do more. Now what I did, like I said, was I put this on dry the second time I tried it. So I had it sectioned. I started at the bottom and I just really worked it in and saturated it, and then I worked my way up. Once I was done with the ones in front, I let it sit for probably about 10 minutes, which really had me kind of freaked out, but I did have to remember that, you know, this is not for light colored hair. It was probably not going to take. Lo and behold, a lot of it did wash out. Now, I know why they said that this is not for light blonde hair, because if you're looking for that nice cocoa color that they're talking about here, you're going to be deeply disappointed when you end up with what you probably spent a lot of money to get bleached out. Am I right? So anyway, it works very well on bleach blondes for this purpose. If you have medium to dark blonde hair and you've got a lot of damage, you can see I even have flyaways and stuff because I didn't really style it after I dried it. But anyway, if you just need to like grow it out so you can start over, this is the product for you, especially when you've got like 4 inches of growth and it's just like disgusting. So anyway, I'm very excited about that. Now, very quickly before I go, I do want to show you what all I used and what I have been using. So what I've been using for shampoo and conditioner, and I did use these again tonight with this, so, or after this actually. The shampoo that I've been using, this is Age Beautiful Ultra Blonde. You can get this, I think, mostly online at Sally's. I got this as a subscription box item. No, it wasn't a subscription. It was like one of those boxes you get to review it and you keep the product. I got this and the deep conditioner. That's what I used in my last video, and this stuff saved my hair. This is the stuff that when my hair started breaking off in my hands, I threw the deep conditioner of this on and it stopped it immediately. Since then I have run out of that, and so I continue to use this as shampoo, and then I am using this. This is Nexus Salon Crafted Protein Blends Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner, Protein Fusion with Keratin, Protein, and Black Rice. This is a close second to the conditioner that I was just describing before, the Age Beautiful Ultra Blonde. This I don't like as much. I think it works slightly less well because this was an absolute miracle, and this is just like really good. And also I don't like the perfume in this, but like, to be honest, it works just as well, and I can get this at the store, whereas I have to order it online if I want this brand. So whatever. These are what I used, and also I like using this afterwards for combing it out. This is the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. This is amazing no matter what hair you've got. Okay, I can't speak for all hair, but if you are Caucasian and your hair is straight or wavy, this is the one for you. This is great. It does so much stuff. I use it on my daughter. I use it on myself. Anyway, that's about it. As you can see, it did the job that I required it to do. I'm very excited about that. Now, I am enjoying playing around with these. If you like this video, please go check out my other one. I will probably link it somewhere here, or else you'll see it at the end. And I think you will like that one too. If you want me to check out other colors of this Color Lux line, please comment and let me know. In any case, I am trying to actually increase my subscription count. Like, I'm trying to care about that this year. That's my New Year's resolution. So please, if you like this video, or if you just like watching, pointing, and laughing, or whatever, go ahead and subscribe so you always know when I'm making a new video for you. And you can either love it or whatever you prefer. Any case, I would love that. I would really appreciate that. And let me know in the comments what color you want me to do next, and maybe we'll do it. But it was great to see you guys again. Talk to you later. Bye.